Hello Garmin Clipboard, my name is Coach Mike Thompson and I'm here to show you how to download this free coaching app. Garmin Clipboard is very simple. We go to the App Store or Google Play to download. We're going to hit the search bar, type in the words Garmin Clipboard, very important. Select, next screen, then we're going to hit open, very simple, get started. Create an account. Then we're going to put all of our information in. Hit next. Now on this screen, you're going to put your name in. You can put a profile picture, save. Create an organization. So we can either add a school, we can add a club, or if you're a private coach, you can say that you're adding an independent, okay? In this example, we're going to use a high school, so KC High School. We put in our team colors, okay? Save. And we can choose cross-country, track, rowing, basketball, baseball, save, next. And our team is created. It's that simple. So for our next video, we're going to show you how to add JV, freshman, varsity. We can add multiple teams on this free app.